In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add income on Freshbooks, a popular platform for managing finances and invoices. Our journey starts by going to the Freshbooks website. Here, you will be prompted to log into your Freshbooks account. Once you've entered your credentials and logged in, you will find yourself on your dashboard. On the dashboard, it's time to navigate to the payment section. This can be quickly discovered by observing the left corner menu. Once you find it, simply click on it. It's quite an intuitive interface, if I say so myself. In the payment section, you'll find an option labeled as Other Income. This tab is specifically dedicated to any sort of additional earnings you may have. Go ahead and click on that tab. At this point, you'll find a plus symbol icon. It cannot be emphasized enough on how essential this little button is. This is where you add a new entry for each brand new form of income. Click on that icon to unveil the necessary fields you need to fill in. Now, you are prompted to specify your income source. This is where you should name your income. For instance, it might be something like referral bonus. This not only adds an additional entry, but also gives you a clearer overview of your multiple income streams. After depicting the name of your income source, up next is the tax information. Here, you need to be accurate regarding the tax status of your income and the rate if it's taxable. So, make sure to fill this out properly to avoid any inconsistencies in the future. Continuing on to the next part, you need to input the grand total amount. These digits represent the total income received from the source you just named. So, enter the amount diligently. Finally, to wrap it up, there's a check icon situated right next to the total field. This icon is your final stop in this process. Clicking on this saves the income details you just input. And voila! You've successfully navigated through Freshbooks and confidently added a new source of income. Remember, this tool is here to organize your financial situation, making sure you're on top of your game at all times.